A Russian attack column consisted of 5 armor vehicles including 2 tanks and 3 infantry fighting vehicles was successfully halted by Ukrainian forces. One tank at the front is T-72B3 as the smoke is coming from the rear left side, and the second one is T-80BVM, in IFVs all are BMP-2s, as recognizable from the rear hatches. The leader tank is equipped with metal cage net. While progressing, T-80BVM with 2 IFVs separated from the column. Maybe their plan is to flank from other direction. As the tank was moving on a new path, it lowers its mine blades to sweep mines. As the column progresses, the attack on the units begin with the first attack by FPV drone on the IFV following T-72 tank. The IFV was first immobilized by the drone, then the second drone finishes it off. The T-72 tank is also attacked by FPV drone, but its cage armor protected from the drone. The tank was later seen with smoke rising from the engine bay. Maybe it is immobilized by another drone, and the crew safely ran away from the tank. Knowing the attack from the Ukrainian army, the T-80BVM started discharging smoke from the rear to conceal the 2 IFVs behind, but that action is of nothing valuable in front of FPV drones. The 3 vehicle reached safely inside the city and they also came under attack. First, upon spotting danger, the leader reversed and the following armor carriers also maneuvered in the same way. The tank decided to retreat from the advance. The middle BMP-2 was hit with artillery shell, as visible from the extent of the damage, and then it is finished by FPV drone. T-80BVM also ran in open fields, and upon immobilizing abandoned by the crew. Only 1 BMP manages to escape. Russian army lost 4 armor units including 2 tanks and 2 IFVs. Despite knowing that there are Ukrainian FPV drones and artillery cover in the area, the Russian army successfully handed over the vehicles to the Ukrainian army, and there could be personnel loss which is not clear. From the attack, one thing is clear, that the Russian army has no effective plan to counter the drones, and they still rely on metal cage net over the armor vehicle's top. In the end, this repulsion is a victory for the Ukrainian army at the tactical level, and the defense also shows the coordination of units.